garnering AP growth in 2018 and 2021. Let's hear his story about when, how, and what something he started. One-star Diamond Director, Emmanuel Rizal!
Hello, Yusana family! Faith precedes success. Sino dito naniniwala na maging successful ka sa Yusana? Magingay ang naniniwala! When I joined Yusana, isa din ako sa taong nakaupo dyan. Naniniwala because believing you can and you're halfway there. Ladies and gentlemen, let me share my journey with Yusana. I'm Emmanuel. God is with us.
Tama.
Kaya tinatawag nila akong Giwo. I grew up from the province of Cebu. And I grew up from an ordinary family. Pangpito po ako sa 8 na magkakapatid. Our father was an OFW. We are grateful kasi he sacrificed a lot of things. Tiniis niya ang lungkot at pagod sa ibang bansa para lang mapagkain at mapag-aral kami. Tandang-tanda ko pa, tuwing aalis siya. And then, dadarating at babalik siya sa amin. Excited na excited kaming lahat na sasalubong. Pero, sa time na babalik na naman siya ulit, tulog kaming lahat. Kasi ayaw niya na makita kaming umiiyak. Thank you! Palakpak naman dyan!
Mura matag makahilak.
Every graduation, sister ko lang ang kasama ko. Yun, kung meron akong award. After I graduated from college, the brothers of my ex-girlfriend, which is my wife right now, she's there, Aya. His brother invited us to attend a life-changing event, Power Punch, by Mentor Rob Rances. And that day, God gave me the greatest mentors of my life. The beauty of this business is that you can be a blessing to someone else. These brothers, Mentor Randy and Mentor Ranel Blanco, showed us the Yusana opportunity. And I'm forever grateful. Because of them, I'm here now. I made an extraordinary decision kasi pinag-sign up ko sa Yusana ang perang budgeted sa pang-review at pang-board exam ko. At first, nagalit yung papa ko kasi I'm just 22 years old. You know what? Galit siya. Siyempre. Pero, alam nyo, anong sabi ko sa papa ko? Sabi ko sa kanya, I want to take charge of my life and I want you to make you proud. Just support me. And fast forward, malaking tulong ng Yusana sa health ng papa ko. He is now 75 years old. One of the reasons I do Yusana is that hindi ko gusto na ma-repeat yung nangyari, yung story ng papa ko. Even though I don't have enough connection, introvert, walang experience sa sales o sa business, walang resources, pero I decided to do USANA full-time agad. Kaya naging no more since birth kami. I borrowed the future, took the leap, and do USANA seriously. Lahat naman ng bagay na natutunan, right? Kaya the question is, when are you going to start? Day one or one day? Always remember, a master is once a beginner. Let me share the 3 important things on how we build USANA. First, we set goal. We set a 90 days challenge to create momentum in our business.
Yes.
Lahat ng rank advance namin ay galing or nagsimula sa goal. Kaya we need to set a goal to rank advance.
Yes.
And as a leader, we need to lead by example. When we push our people to rank advance, dapat mag-rank advance din tayo. Kaya sino dito gusto mag-move to the next level? If we want to move to the next level, we must do massive action.
Yes.
We need to work hard to achieve our goals. When we started, naka-BMW kami or by means of walking. Hanggang sa nagmumotor kami, parang Power Rangers. And yet, we are unstoppable. In sharing the vision of Dr. Wentz, rain or shine, gipit na gipit kami. At tong mga gutom days, munggos lang tatapat.
Yes.
Laban pa rin kami.
Yes.
We choose courage over comfort.
Wow.
Instead, focus pa rin kami doing the vital task.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. Woo! We give presentations after presentations, trainings after trainings. No excuses.
Gabi.
In this business, we must keep our eyes on the prize and be resolved to pay the price. Sa journey namin, we experience a lot of criticisms. May mga fears and doubts. May mga times na nahihirapan. May mga maling desisyon. At we choose to bounce back dahil na-realize namin, if drama goes up, income goes down. Yes. So we keep climbing the ladder of success. We became gold directors, ruby directors, emerald directors, executive emerald directors, and skip rank to 1-star diamond director. Kung kaya namin, kaya nyo rin! Just always develop a what's next mindset. In USANA, if we are persistent enough, if we are really want to get what we want, the most fulfilling part in USANA is that the people, while you are succeeding, you help also a lot of people to succeed. In our organization, we have 1-star, we have 2-star diamond directors, 1 diamond directors, 6 ruby directors, and 20 plus gold directors. In life, you public of what you do in private. Push everything you got and go all in! Let's keep grinding, keep going, and keep growing intentionally. And it's time to start something extraordinary.